Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cason's Hot Wheels Diecast Garage and Racing YouTube channel. Today I got a package in, and finally it is one of the very first RLC cars for the Hot Wheels Redline Club membership. This should be the Lamborghini Miura, 1971 Lamborghini Miura SV RLC members exclusive car. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of it, and I'll probably talk a little bit about it. I should probably get a screwdriver, because it has, so that I can show it a little bit and show the moving parts. I'll probably do that and merge the video in. So anyways, here is the unboxing video of it. Get my keys. And here is the car. Top of the box, another side of it, and then this side. There's the Redline Club logo. And then there's information on back if you want to read about it. Okay. Let me... Oh, I gotta film again. Okay, put this back on. Trying to film here a little better for my channel, instead of recording like I used to. I am now recording like this so it fits the whole screen. Hang on, I gotta pause this so I can get that out. Anyways, I got it. Sorry about that. It does, reason it's in this package is because it comes in a, instead of a blister pack, it actually comes in a full case. There we go. Ooh, I like that packaging. I like that packaging. That is so cool. Here is another, here's some of the, this is a cover for the case that goes on the car. So, picture of the car. It is in the green color. There's the top logo. It is in Italian colors. Here's the information about it. Lamborghini logo and Hot Wheels logo. Redline Club logo. And then Lamborghini logo right there. And then some more information right here. And here is the RLC car. I think it's nice. Had to get it because I love Lamborghinis, so. And actually, I don't even have to unscrew it. I can just take the cover off. But it's supposed to have opening parts. I believe the front of it opens and the engine bay. Let me try and take the packaging off for that. This is really nice. I like the color of it. I'm back again. This is what the car looks like. It looks so nice. Let me go in the sun here and try and shine it. That thing looks so nice. I had to get this one because it was, of course, it's a Lamborghini and I love it. I love Lambos. Here's some close-ups. Trying to be careful with this. Let me show you the opening features. So the opening features on this car is this hood. This is the engine bay. That's what the engine bay looks like. And then this is what the door looks like open. And then this looks like another, I don't know what's just the engine bay. I think this is the engine bay. This is just for the other stuff like the radiator, the battery, and spare tire. As you can see, this is what it looks like with that's what it looks like with both doors open. And the interior looks to be a tan interior of the car. Sorry it keeps going out of focus. I'm trying to make it focus on here. Interior's tan, as you can see. And then it has rubber tires, and then these are the wheels that are on it. There's supposed to be a logo on here. There is. Right there. Anyways, that is the unboxing video of the Lamborghini Miura RLC car, the SV. This originally released in January. I finally got it today as of February 22nd. I believe it released at the end of January, like around the 28th or somewhere around there. So yeah, it's been like almost a month since I bought this thing, and it finally came in. Yeah. Anyways, I like it. It's a nice RLC car. Love that green on it. That green is nice. I also like the packaging too. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. And if you do, oh, license plate too. I forgot to show that. Actually has really good detail back there. License plate. And then it has the badging on it and all that stuff. The lights. Honestly, it's got some good detail on the car. And then the Lamborghini logo, of course. I recently just found the new mainline version of this car for DKs, and it's a red one, so, and it's also pretty nice as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you all later in another video. Bye.